Hi there, it's Ty with WTI. And in the age of video conferencing, we might sometimes have bad hair days. Early in the morning or late on the evening, when the hair quality is no longer described as good hair day. Bad hair days are with all of us, and that's why it's great that in a modern world of video conferencing, Zooms, FaceTimes, name it, you can always fix your hair in an easy way. My hair fix is called Aadesso 26-inch long wig. It's a brown gradient, long wig. Of course, in real life, you can tell that that's a wig. But when you're sitting in a meeting, you can have beanie on, you can have scarf on, you can hide easily this artificial look of the hairline itself. It's a great solution for anybody who is looking for fun way to sit in a conference with lots of hair confidence. And sometimes, my friends, hair confidence is only 26 inches away from you. And that is my point of view.